Welcome to Roomozy. Today we're going to review Hotel Delta, which is part of the Marriott. It's a different name, but part of the Marriott as well, Marriott Group. And this hotel is located right over M14, which is connected to different cities: Stratford, Warwickshire, and Leamington Spa as well. So we're going to do the review as usual. Very nice, by the way. They're connected to different cities, which of course you can enjoy, and it's the best location as well. Plenty of parking available for the people who wants to travel around, tourists and everybody. Free parking, by the way, and everything is so connected. Everything is 10 to 20 minutes away by drive, so you can explore much more. Let's start with waiting is the facilities. Let's see. All the soap, shampoos and everything clean, and of course, as you can see, that extra towels, jet shower, very nice combination, black. Seems like the building is recently refurbished and it's clean. Extra towels there, so that towel is used for to make sure the surface is not wet and everything. It's very nice and bright, as you can see. Big mirror as well. So then we start with the cupboard. Very reasonable cupboard. Some 1 man laundry jacket, and you have a iron board, and there's a safety lock. As you can see that with the locker, we can put your stuff, and there is hair dryer, and about the hotels and everything, menu, everything will be there. Different contrast of, as you can see, beautiful carpet, and then there's a big massive mirror to get ready. My shoes, storage, things like that, and bin as usual. And then come to the bedroom. Very nice big double bedroom, which is a king size as well. Beautiful as well, massive. And there's a chair for the work. Bring your laptop, anything you like to do, sit down, relax. And there's a two-standard cup of coffee, extra facilities and all there. As you can see that if you run out of that, call the reception. Always call 0. Pick up the phone, call 0. Anything missing, they will bring it up to you to your room as well. So there's a chair again, beautiful. And there's my, of course, motorbike, which I use to go everywhere. As you can see, plenty of car parking spaces available. So many spaces, and if you're using hybrid car, electrical car, there are reserved car parking spaces where you can just charge your car during the night or during your stay as well. So there's a heater available if you feel cold. Nowadays United Kingdom is very hot, there's a heat wave going on. So yeah, there's my helmet, and there's big tally, and of course the testing services here. And I of this phone, pick it up, and all the reception, call 0 to reception as well. So let's see, testing, because end of the day our job is to make sure that the things are provided are accurate and they are available to the guests as well. So we meant to maintain the standards. Let's see what we have here. It seems like there's a screen. So there we are. As you can see, yes, massive tally, clear, beautiful, everything is working in order as well. And this is the room. And now always check, the bed is sometimes are not very comfortable, so make sure that the beds are comfortable for you. I'm gonna give the yes. Oh yes, it is beautiful bed, no doubt that. It will absorb your weight as well, and if you are a couple of different individuals or sharing with your friends or somebody, and it won't disturb the other person. You won't even feel anything. The bed quality is very good as well. So overall the room is very good. Rest will happen throughout the night, like how I feel and everything else, and I will keep you updated. Welcome to Roomozy. Just woke up. The room, I have to change the room last night. The room specification is pretty much same. I slept the same, very nice bed as well, very comfortable. In fact, yes, this hotel have some sort of aircon issues, air conditioning issues, so couldn't work. So I have to get 2 extra fans in the order to sleep, because heat waves rooms are quite hot. But having said that, otherwise it's very nice environment. Now we're catching up with the news, and we're going to keep you updated with the new hotels, new experiences, new locations, and I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs, and a lot of new vlogs are coming, or the city tours of across the UK as well. So stay tuned and do not forget to follow our channels. Thank you.